Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, VS Beauty Corner. You already know how it is. Say you do it, live it. Today I'm back. I know guys, I've missed you. You've missed me too. I know you have. But this quarantine has just been bringing me down. I'm not gonna lie, I've just been lying around, just not motivated, just not like, I just had no motivation to actually record a video. So I did a daily routine, what I do anyway. So I thought, why not record it today? Oh guys, I'm trying to go on a diet since I am trying. I don't know, I don't even know what to say. Like, I've been gaining so much weight. You can tell, I know you can tell, and I'm just so sick and tired of it. So I've been doing like jogs, a bit exercise and stuff like that. So I've changed kind of my eating habits as well. So today I'm gonna cook chicken tikka masala, and I usually put vegetables in it and everything. I'm gonna be making it with rice, so stay tuned if you want to see how I cook this, and keep on watching. You're gonna need for this is your chicken, which I have my chicken right here, chopped and washed as well. You have to wash everything, guys, with this coronavirus. Sorry. You have to wash your chicken because of this coronavirus. You don't want to get any infection or anything like that. So my chicken's right here, chopped and washed. And then I put carrots in it, chopped and washed. This is fresh carrots, it's better that way, chopped and washed. And peas, I like to put peas. I love peas. My daughter loves peas, so it kind of encouraged me to also have peas. Here, yellow and red peppers, chopped and washed, and leeks, chopped and washed. And also we have here fresh chili, and then we also have onion here and 2 garlic. And then the main thing, obviously, what you need to make chicken tikka masala is obviously your chicken masala sauce, and it's just here. We got this in any shop, like any Lidl, Aldi, whatever. And then obviously an oil. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna do a voiceover anyway, so I think now we can just listen to music or whatever.
Yeah. Party.
Now guys, the first thing we do is put in our oils in the pan, and try not to put a lot of oil because it's not good. And now I am trying to fry my onion. So you make sure you stir really well together just to make sure everything is getting in the oil. After, I am going to add my garlic here because frying our garlic with your onion is really good. It gives it a nice flavor and everything. And now I am going to add my leeks together along with everything and just stir it well again. I'm going to put my heat down because it's a bit high, but I'm going to add the chicken along with everything and fry it together and just stir it well again. Yeah, and make sure you stir everything together again. As always, I keep saying this and I feel like I'm going to keep saying this throughout the video. I cannot stress it enough about stirring your food. Stirring. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Anyways. I'm going to add 1 Maggi cube. Everybody knows what this is. You can choose whatever your favorite seasoning. I love adding Maggi's in my food because it just gives a nice flavor, and I don't really like using salt, so this is really, really nice. It's better than salt, I feel like, and I probably will add more seasoning again, but Maggi is first, just if you feel like you need to add more, because I don't want it to be too salty as well. So just try and see first. Like, now I'm gonna add my yellow and red peppers to the mix and just let that fry in as well with everything, because frying peppers is really good. I like that. Add my carrots as well, but I'm going to leave my peas because peas are already soft, even though it's frozen, but it's better if I do add this later. I'm gonna add the masala sauce along with everything and just let it cook together. Add the whole sauce in because obviously the chicken's a lot as well, so I'm gonna add everything together and stir it well. Make sure everything is getting the sauce, you know, the sauce is important. Add the full jar of water to the mix. I'm gonna add a bit more because I can see it's still not enough, but make sure you stir it so you can see the quantity of the water is still good, and make sure everything is in the water, like in the mix, so that way it gets soft, and especially the carrots. As you can see, I added more water there. I'm going to let it boil for a couple of minutes. I've let it boil now from at this stage here. As you can see here, it has been boiling for like at least 10-15 minutes. I've added more all-purpose seasoning, this there where you can see there. I've added that in. It's really good, better than salt again. And I also added more chili pepper, the powder one, because it's really good. I added the pure one. No, that's not the word. Anyways, sorry guys. Just watch. I'm not really good at explaining. Sorry, my baby's there making a lot of noise. Taste your food, guys, so you can know if the salt is good. But that's pretty much everything that I did. I am going to let it boil for another like 5-10 minutes, and then taste if the carrots is good. If it's good, then the food should be ready. This is the final result. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know if you want me to do more cooking videos, because I really enjoy cooking and I cook every day, so it's just a nice thing for me anyways. Thanks for watching. As always, say, do it, live it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.